Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Muntasir and welcome to the American Training Academy, the place where you will unlock your potential to achieve the best in your life. Today I came to share with you one skill which will really be of value to you. It will help you to be more productive and it will help you to increase the trust between you and your team. This skill is effective delegation. Today, let's share together 5 things that will help you to delegate effectively. First, you need to identify the task properly. You need to know what exactly are you going to delegate. And second, you need to select the right person. You need to select the right person for the delegation. And third, you need to explain the task clearly and you need to provide this person with all the resources needed. And fourth, you need to focus on the result. And you need to show support for this person during the delegation process. And the last thing, which is the fifth, you need to follow up. When you delegate something, it doesn't mean that you are not responsible for it anymore. It means that you need to follow up and you need to provide a constructive feedback at the end of the process. So today we came to share with you the skill of effective delegation. Until we meet on Tuesday, remember, it's never too late to start living the life that you have dreamt about. Thank you so much for joining us.